On March 18th, 2023, at 10:21,
You got a knife, dude? You want to drop the knife?
police received reports of an erratic man.
You want necesitas
armed with a
policía or no?
knife on White Lane.
Here. Let's just make sure he doesn't go somewhere crazy, do anything, and then potential medical aid.
Officers responded and found the armed suspect at 10:52 p.m., but he immediately fled eastbound on White Lane.
Let me see your fucking hands! Right now! On the fucking ground! On the fucking ground! 998, 998. Let me see you! Get on the ground! 172, 998.
Another officer intercepted the suspect in the 900 block of White Lane. Officer Mouser, perceiving a threat, shot the suspect. Officers provided immediate medical aid. The suspect was rushed to a hospital. A screwdriver was later found at the scene.